Welcome to 1946 South Racine Unit 4R. You're welcomed by a very generous hall closet. You have an awesome nook here for perhaps a bench for putting on boots or even a desk. You're welcomed into this large open living and dining area and kitchen. To our left, we'll go see the master suite through this door. You have very tall ceilings, lots of natural light, not being blocked by anything. Definitely fits a queen size bed. You have your ensuite bath, a very large master suite closet. And then on the other side, we have a split bedroom layout. We'll cross through the living and dining and kitchen areas, not bypassing the washer dryer. You have a very large hall bath here. We'll go to the second bedroom. Great natural light, once again, and very large closet for you. The third bedroom is on the other side. Once again, a nice spacious for a queen and huge closet for you. Take a look at the kitchen. You have a dishwasher, you have a very deep sink, a window in the kitchen, as well as plenty of storage, all stainless steel appliances. Brand new everything. Washer dryer has never been used, same with dishwasher and all appliances. Once again, this is Unit 4R, 1946 South Racine.